Hello, everyone. We're at group 17 from CEN3031. Our team includes Polat, Ben Uppgard, Shawn Wang, and Vejay Persaud. Today, we're presenting our progress on our ProBooker project from Sprint1. So first, we'll introduce our team. Oz, would you like to go ahead?
Hello, I'm Ozlem Polat, and I'm the product owner for ProBooker. My role involves defining the product vision, ensuring it aligns with business goals, prioritizing features, and managing Jira tasks with Shawn, Wang to maintain a smooth workflow.
All right, great. Thanks, Oz. I'm Ben. I'm Ben Upgard. I'm the Scrum Master for ProBooker. I ensure that our team adheres to agile practices, and I lead the development process. My responsibilities include organizing and leading Scrum ceremonies, like our daily stand-ups, sprint planning, and retrospectives, and making sure that there are no impediments and that we have smooth progress in our project. I focus on maintaining team cohesion and ensuring that we're meeting our sprint goals effectively.
Okay, hi, I'm Shawn Wang and the lead developer on this project. I focus on backend development using Nest.js and Apprise. Manage Jira tasks with Ozlem, ensure seamless integration between front-end and back-end components. And also I try to maintain a high standard of quality and functionalities of this project.
Hello, I'm Vejay Persaud, and I'm a developer on ProBooker, and I develop and implement testing using frameworks like Jest and collaborate on the design guide, specialize in QA testing and create documentation for the code base. All right, so on our project ProBooker, we aim to develop a comprehensive booking platform for service providers and clients. And the first sprint ran from July 1st to July 14th, focusing on user profile management, service, search, and filters, the booking calendar, and notifications. We started with the React project, and we set up the repository and used Postgres and, with Heroku. However, we switched to Next.js for a more robust architecture and AppWrite for our database and authentication, which posed some challenges, but ultimately provided better structure for us. We made significant progress with our UI components. Here you can see the evolution of our homepage, provider login functionality, customer dashboard, service provider dashboard, and creating new service features. So we switched to Next.js for its robust framework because it offers server-side rendering, static site generation, and excellent performance. Its documentation and pre-built component libraries have been really beneficial for our team, improving our development process and increasing our output.
Thanks, Vijay. Shawn?
So we switched from Postgres to Apprise for streamlined user authentication and database management. And it simplifies the backend management with a comprehensive API for authentication, database, and storage. So here's some screenshots showing our collections and attributes. So for the technical progress, includes setting up the database schema, integrating Apprise for user authentication, developing front-end components like login and registration UIs, and also implementing Jest tags for the core functionality. And here's some demonstrations for the functionality for this web page. Okay, so first we're going to try to register a user for consumer. And you can see we just introduce information here. And click on create user. We're supposed to see user create successfully. Now we're back to login. So we can use the user that we just created to login. So first let's try the wrong password. And you see there's an arrow. Now we try with the correct one. You see it's logging successfully. And here you can see the account details, the profile picture that we just added. And here you can see all the services that's providing on this platform. And from here, you can do a low filter search for the keyword. Now, we can test the provider side. So we can also register a new provider from here, but let's just test with the existing one. Correct password, you can see login successfully. Same thing here, we can see the profile in detail with the picture here. And from here, the provider can only see the service that belongs to this specific provider. And here you have the same function that you can do the filter, and also you can add a new service here. We enter the provider name and service title, and also the description. You can see you successfully created a message here. So it's supposed to appear here, but we need to give it like a little refresh, and you can see it appears down. And we can add more service like that. So,
Great.
yeah, that's wrap up the yeah.
Thank you, Shawn.
Yeah, no problem.
As you can see from Shawn's demonstration, we made a lot of progress in Sprint1. We accomplished most of what we did initially was setting up the back end, the framework, the development environment, getting our database working, and user authentication. That actually took the majority of the sprint. Then implementing the features that Shawn just showed with the basic UI and operations. Once we had everything set up, that rapidly progressed. And then here's a demo of our Kanban board as it was at the end of Sprint1. Can you press play? So there were still many things left to do that we didn't finish that we thought we would, just because of the extra time that it took to get our framework going. There are still a few things that are in progress that will be ported over to Sprint2, but you could see on the right-hand side all of the backlog items that we did get completed in Sprint1. So after we were completed with Sprint1, we moved all of our in progress or not completed items to our Sprint2 backlog, and we have them there at the top. And then additionally, we have the next features that we plan on working in order of importance, combined with the ease and time that we expect to have. The quantity of items, backlog items on Sprint2 is significantly higher than Sprint1, but we expect that based on how quickly our progress accelerated once we had our framework in place, we don't foresee any problems in accomplishing all of these throughout Sprint2.
Yes. Thank you, Ben.
All right, so with the test cases, we can ensure that ProBooker is functioning correctly. And we do this through two methods, manual testing and automated testing. Through manual testing, we can confirm that features of the software are in accord with our project specifications. But the automated testing allows us to test the implementation of these features through actual code. And as you can see on the screen, you can see some of our test cases and whether they're passing or failing.
During our retrospective, we identified key insights and actions for improvement. We decided on structured meetings, improved task assignment clarity, and emphasized timely communication. Despite some challenges, our team coordination and initial setup were successful. We encountered several issues, including CI/CD failures, integration challenges, and task estimation inaccuracies. Our next steps involve maintaining a clean main branch, continuing database integration, enhancing UI development, and developing the test cases further.
I want to thank you for taking a look at our presentation and our progress with ProBooker. We had a lot of fun overcoming challenges during Sprint1, and after a week of some reflection, we're looking forward to continuing our progress through Sprint2. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.